In this video, I'll talk about how you can do multi-view on YouTube TV. Now, the way that you can do this is you can only do this on a PC or on a smart TV. Or if you use some sort of Chromecast, that's fine as well. But what you have to do here is have any of these. So either your web browser or streaming devices like Chromecast or Roku devices or a smart TV. Then of course you need to have YouTube TV subscription. Now to do this from your web browser or your smart TV, it's a little bit different, but from a smart TV or any of the Roku ones, you want to get the YouTube TV app. Then what you want to do is just select any program and there will be a multi-view button from in there, usually indicated by a small icon in the top right corner of the screen. So that is how that works. And once you've done that, you can just select other streams and you'll be able to multi-view. Now, if you're on the web browser, you just want to head over to the website, pick anything you want to watch, and you should be able to see the button or option to enable the multi-view once you have selected the first one. So just activate that, and then you can just select additional channels so you can watch it at the same time. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.